Hey guys, it's Destiny Lachey, and in today's video, I'm going to be straightening Leilani's hair for the very first time ever. My baby looks so grown up. I can't believe she's even 5 years old. I can go on and on about that all day, but she looks so much older. Oh my god. But anyway, what I like to do first is to really clean her hair. So I'm going to use this Tresemme shampoo that I really like for her hair. It gets her hair really clean. I like to focus on the scalp and then bring the shampoo down to her ends to make sure that all of her hair is really clean. And then I go ahead and rinse that out. And after that, what I like to do is use this Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. I use this deep conditioner about once a month just to give her hair a nice deep condition. Usually Leilani's hair is in braids most of the time, so I don't really have to wash it as often. I would say I wash her hair about once every 2 weeks. I leave the deep conditioner on and I put a plastic cap on it while she's taking a bath, and then I rinse that out. And while her hair is still damp, I like to apply this As I Am leave-in conditioner. I love this product because it moisturizes her hair and it helps protect her hair from the heat that I'm gonna put on it. So now this is her hair air dried for about 20 minutes. Just to make sure her curls revert back when I wash her hair after I straighten it, I'm going to apply a serum heat protectant. This is the Design Essentials Silk Heat Protectant. I really like this. I use this in my hair as well. I apply a good amount of this to her hair, not too much to where it will weigh her hair down or make it super greasy, but I apply a good amount all throughout her hair, getting every single strand to make sure that it's protected from this heat that I'm about to put on it. Okay. So now I'm just going to part it with a metal rat tail comb. I love these little combs because it makes her hair, especially since it's so thick, really easy to part. And I feel like when it comes down to straightening really thick hair, you have to really section it off so that you can get every part of the hair so that it comes out, how you want it to come out. Then I'm gonna part another section off. I'm just basically making 3 sections. I'm leaving the entire back out and then sectioning the first 2 top parts. And I like using these crocodile clips because they really hold her hair down very good and kind of just keep her hair out of the way while I'm blow drying it and straightening it. Her hair was already detangled in the bath, but I'm going to use this little paddle brush to detangle her hair a little bit more. And I'm just going to part it and brush through it, finger detangle and all of that. Like I said, her hair was already detangled, but I just had to detangle it some more. I'm going to use this Andy's blow dryer. I love this because it gets your hair really straight even before you straighten it. So I'm just going to go through her hair with this. I got this blow dryer off of Amazon, and man, I have never looked back since. This thing really gets your hair super straight before straightening it. And I just straighten her hair, blow dry her hair in sections so that it's a lot easier, So as you can see, it's definitely just getting straight with this blow dryer, and I'll have less work to do when I straighten it, Sometimes the hard thing about doing Leilani's hair is that she has about 10 different textures on her little bitty head. So it can be a little bit confusing while doing her hair because some sections are easier to blow dry than others. Some sections look shorter than others, but when you blow dry it, all of her hair is basically even all over. When her hair is curly, it looks shorter in places that is really not. It's just that the curl pattern is tighter in those areas. In some areas it's a little bit looser. It's so confusing. So the reason why I wanted to straighten her hair is to make sure her ends have been clipped properly, which they kind of were. They looked fine, as you'll see at the end of towards the end of the video. Yeah, as I was blow drying it, she did a really good job just staying still. I promise you that tablet, oh my god, if she didn't have that tablet, we would be in some serious trouble. But her having the tablet really helps me to actually do her hair. So I'm just blow drying it in sections, as you'll see. So I'll shut up now and I'll come back when I'm doing something else. Okay.
Everything changes.
Now this is what her hair looks like, fully blow dried. This took me about, I would say, 30 minutes to blow dry her hair. Now I'm just going to take a elastic band and section off the back, and then I'm going to take those 2 sections in the front and I'm going to clip one side to that side, you know what I mean, and start straightening this one side. And I take my metal rat tail comb and section off a small piece of hair so that I only have to do one pass with the flat iron on her hair. I just use the crocodile clip and clip the rest of the hair up so that it's out of the way. And then I take my little small rat tail comb to make sure that there are no knots in her hair so that the hair will be as straight as possible. I like using a boar bristle brush with a lot of hair in it. Don't mind that. And I like to use this flat iron that I will have in the description box. That is really good. I believe it's the Babyliss titanium flat iron. It's so good. But I do I believe it's the Chase method, and I like using a brush because it gets the hair a lot straighter than a comb for some reason. I don't know what it is, but the brush works so good to get the hair straight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep sectioning her hair off, combing through it, and then using the brush to use the Chase method to straighten her hair. Like I said, everything that I use in this little video will be in the description box so that if you do want to get it, you can. I am going to do this all over her head. This part took me probably about a good hour and a half to complete. I didn't get the flat iron really close to her roots because, first of all, I didn't want to burn her. This is my first time straightening her hair, and I felt like the flat iron, I don't know, I just was scared. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even know. I was just scared. I didn't want to get it too close to her scalp and burn her. I had the flat iron on medium heat, so it wasn't on the highest setting, it wasn't on the lowest setting, it was in the middle. So I just didn't want her hair to break off, burn. Like, okay, this is my first time ever doing it, so I'm not trying to like kill her hair or her scalp. So yeah. And going down on her hair, I just went pretty slow so that I don't have to do another pass. So it took me about a good like 20 seconds to get down to the ends of her hair with the brush and everything, because I just wanted to go slowly so that I only had to do one pass. Didn't want to over edit these clips because I know with me, with hair videos, I want to watch the entire video from like start to finish. I want to see every step with nothing skipped. So here you guys go. I'm just gonna put music right here and I'll talk to you guys in a sec. Now that her hair is straight, I'm going to use this edge booster, edge control, and I'm just going to lay her edges with a small like baby toothbrush. This is not her toothbrush. This is a toothbrush that we use for hair, FYI. And I'm just going to lightly, you know, lay her edges or whatever. And then after that, I am going to kind of just check her ends, make sure everything's good, kind of dust them a little bit. I am not a professional. Don't roast me, because I am not a professional hairstylist at all. I know a little something because my mom does hair, but other than that, I'm not a pro. So I'm just combing through her hair and just kind of making sure that the ends are all right. I usually keep up on her ends. I clip them myself when her hair is curly and wet. I kind of take my finger and kind of see if she has any split ends, but I've never done it when her hair is straight. So I just kind of turned her around and kind of made her ends even. To me, her ends looked okay. They didn't look too split at all, because like I said, I usually dust them myself every time I wash her hair, just to make sure her hair is healthy, you know, whatever, and all of that. But yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see from me or Leilani down below in the comment section. I would love to hear what you guys have to say, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.